Wonderful morning again. We are here on the Caymanas Paradise program, and we are doing the segment called the Railbird Corner. So here is Oliver Buchanan and Mr.
Junior Fender.
Yes, as you know, we are the two persons that host the show, and we are here to present a treat for the major race day for the year, the Mute Mile Race Day. We are going to give you our bankers. As you know, this is a banker show, and if you want to hear banker, you have to listen this show and really this show alone for bankers. We are gonna go into our bankers. You know we have our extended selection, like extended first choice, so as to assist you with whatever information or winners that can give you a winning chance. So, and you know we never leave out our outsiders to watch, not necessarily winners, but we are giving you something to put in your exotics. They can also win, but we are giving you something to surface in your exotics right there and then. We are gonna start with our banker and our bankers, and our first banker is race 5, number 5, Midnight Galaxy. Midnight Galaxy did come colorful and last based on his exercise workout. He was not flapped or so much disappointed, but he did not make the mark, and he's looking forward to recoup some losses. And I'm saying that Midnight Galaxy did came second on a two-turn in his first attempt at two-turn, and he is working pretty well. He did 115 and 4/5 on his last workout, and I'm expecting him to take this one away and be a good banker for the public. And I would say he is my best banker of the two. And this one is for the mandatory payout Reggae 6. My next banker per se is race number 10, horse number 3, Mojito. I'm going to take Mojito. Mojito clocked 128 when coming off the layoff. He has gone 127 recently. He kind of chopped 1 full seconds off that time. And I think Mojito has the class. He is good like that. I rate Mojito. He has done it all. Mojito is a horse that came like 10, 11 lengths ahead of Mama Mia. So we still have to look forward to Mojito and give given the performance he gave us the other day, we must look back to Mojito to get on terms and be a banker another time for us. So Mojito is expected to take this one away. We can get a little competition from the Major Danger, who has been looking really well, but I would just say Mojito is very much the winner and the banker for us. My next segment is extended first choice. My first extended first choice is gonna be Acknowledge Me. Acknowledge Me is now given a little stretched out. She may be asking for this. She has the class, she's ready to roll, she's race fit and everything. And I think she has the pace and the speed to see some comfort here. And Acknowledge Me is expected to get ahead of these as an extended first choice. My next extended first choice is, and I should say, race number 4, horse number 9, Acknowledge Me. I did not say a race and or number, but a race is race number 4 and horse number 9. My next extended first choice is Run Julie Run. I'm gonna take one Julie run because she did run her heart out in trying to devour Atomica in the Jamaica Cup, and that was a heck of a race for her. I really do appreciate that performance, and I can't see where she is gonna be defeated. No, she has gotten two exercise gallops since. That means she's in good order, and she will be able to overcome these. I think so much. You can look for some competition from Impressive Force, Ability who has the class, and Blue Vinyl, but more likely Impressive Force. My next extended banker, and people would have been looking for me to make a selection in this. The people, my next extended first choice, my final extended first choice. I did say banker at once, and I'm correcting that. The banker part is already done, and we are on the extended first choice. My final extended first choice, and as I said before, people would want me to select something in this Demote Mile, which is a prestigious race on the day. So I would dare to say that at 51.5 kilo, Desert of Malibu seems to be getting away with a lot of mercy here. Knowing the class she has done it all. She hasn't run any race going this distance, like 7 furlong and more lately. But regardless of that, she has won a mile. She won 2 6.5. She was 13 lengths down in a race, going 6 furlongs, 13 lengths behind, and still ended up winning by a length. That's amazing. And I would look forward to of Malibu to take this Mute Mile by the scruff of his neck with all the opportunity that is given to her. Yes, we have a number of American invaders highly thought of from their barn, highly thought of from performances we have seen. Barnaby, T-Stock, Commandant, Legacy Isle, all of those American invaders. Park play as a chance because with the position he was still in at the half a furlong pole after he had a mishap. We still have to consider him. So, and Atomica is still given some mercy with 52.5 because she has always been seen the big weight. This race is widely spread with a lot of competition, and I still is gonna stick my neck out on Desert of Malibu after clocking 112 for 6 furlong coming into this Demo third running of the Mute Mile. So that's my pick for my extended selection. I have two outsiders you can put in the exotics. They are not necessarily my first pick in their races, but they can also win. But we are expecting them to surface and emerge in the exotics. My first and Desert of Malibu is number 4 in the 11th race for your guidance. Number 2, race 2, number 11, Bomb Night is my first outsider to be included in the exotics. Bomb Night has only ran twice. She showed some impression. She looked as if she's gonna be in this one with the additional furlong and a half that she got because it obviously seems as if she's begging for a little more real estate, and I think she can get in this one. That is number 11, Bomb Night in the second race. My final outsider to watch is race 3, number 3, Dimitri P. Dimitri P faces a little adversity in the start and along the race, and he could have gotten closer, in my belief. And I am going to give you Dimitri P as an outsider to watch. And that is my final selections for the program. And I must share a little information with you that I'll be making some selection on Sports Grill on It's 92 later in the evening from 6:30 to 6:44, and you can expect to see all of my selections there. But if you want to see bankers and look for the bankers, this is the banker program. So that's how it is. Give thanks to all my viewers, my family. We are asking for the support, as in for the subscription, the likes, and share it all around so we can be fruitful. Thanks very much. And we go now to Mr. Junior Fender, the my co-host, who is gonna give you the real deal.
Yes. Welcome to Hunter's Paradise Show today. And I want to say it is very, very interesting because a lot of information came from Bash. Trust me, I'm telling you all, listen to him. He's doing the most great sharing of how a day is going to turn out at the park here. And he's saying the right thing because he's seen, and we like that.
Respect, appreciation. Thank you so much,
Yeah,
Mr.
great.
Fender.
The Pontus Paradise crowd and fans throughout the world, they're looking on and they are hoping to hear your voice. If you're not on the show, it is as if,
Yeah, they
where
feel
is he?
wounded. They feel wounded.
Right, because
Yes.
you always come with the right info
Well, we have
on
to,
on
as
the final program.
yeah, I'm not. I'm just gonna cut you briefly, but you know, I always tell them that we are coming with honesty, and we come to give them what there is. So you see it, so
Right,
you get it. Big up to Mishibu, Michelle. She cannot be left out of it.
right.
So take your
I'm
show to the
I'm on
full.
again. So listen now. The interesting thing at Caymanas Park here today on this Mutual Mile race, listen man, it's very tough. It's not going to be easy. It's not going to be easy. But hear my side of it. I am working with my stables that I've been working with throughout the season and jockeys. And hear what I'm saying? I am working with the top jocks today because they have gotten all the good rights. And with the international jockeys that flew in to be to ride in this race and ride on the car, enough respect to them because we know them back
Yeah,
from the
yeah, the
simulcasting,
Simon Cast racing. Yes.
right? So we are open to have a very very exciting day. All right. The jockeys I'm talking about, yeah, we are talking about our Jamaican stars that is based here in Jamaica, who have actually traveled overseas and has done well. Terrin Foster, which we all, Radis Roman, that we all know, and Dane Dawkins. You know, Bash, I see Dane have a number of rights. And I'm saying, I know Dane is coming heads up today. And he's working with his trainer, Gary Sabrati. And, you know, the other top trainers, Anthony Baba, Philip Fiani, OD, and, you know, um, we have Hutchison that is in the mix, Matty that is in the mix today. I expect performance to really come to the exciting moment to have our racing here today. And I must say, Bash and Mish, as you all know, we have to give special thanks to the Fox News Network because they are, as you know, they are international and they will be carrying and spreading the entire day's performance. So big up to Fox News and to our fans worldwide. This is it. To Yes.
So tell us, your fans, because you have fans out there. Who is your selection in the multi-mile, Mr. Fender? Who is gonna
Fine.
win?
I was waiting for that question.
All right.
You know, and I say here, as I said before, stables. But I see Gary Sobrati has two entries. He has three actually, but two entries. Atomica and Desert of Malibu. And this is where I'm looking.
Okay, that's where the winner will be coming from for
Yes,
you.
but I have a lot of respect for Ron Crichton because, as we all know, he's doing a lot. He has some good blood stock, some good horses training, and for him to come to Jamaica for this race is saying one, and we appreciate that.
And as the defending champion, he's coming, and he's coming all out.
All out, all, and that is good for us. And I must say, special big up to our breeding industry here in Jamaica. This race is going to help to give them the level of respect and encourage the owners and the breeders to get serious because the prize money of 250,000 US is big. Next year, we we think it will be much better than this year. So, you know, I have this to sort of say thank you all for the level of support of the Punters Paradise.
Yes, and I must say, give thanks. Our family, we are bigging up the viewers. And I want you to know that this massive race card could possibly be the best and best supported card with the most horses and card in numbers. We have already had 13 races, and I think this 11 race may have surpassed the numbers with the amount of horses that is on the card. So look forward to something good. This card has a lot of bundling in it. Leaders may have a chance to go away when horses are bundling at the back. The field, they are so crowded.
I
So
like
you can expect the
it.
unexpectations on this card.
On this card.
Big it up to
Yeah.
Caymanas Race Paradise, and be good. If you can't be good, be safe. And if you can't be good, be careful. Love you all.